If your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max or iPhone Air was hanged, you can't move the display or the phone properly doesn't work means, the screen freezing issue you may face means, there is actually one solution you can do that will fix all your issues. I show you. The thing is power restart your iPhone. So to do this, just quickly press and release volume up button, down button, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Don't click any other button, just hold side button. So it goes off. Wait. When you see the Apple logo, release the side button. So now just wait until it reboot. Like this, press and release and hold the side button. So it's came. Now definitely your hanging or freezing issue will be solved. In case if you can't force start using buttons means you need a computer mouse. I will clearly explain in this video. You need to watch this video. This will definitely help to solve this issue. Even side button was not also work. You can try this method. Definitely it will work.